Unboxing of eco-friendly portable solar power station.
അളത്തെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Imagine carrying a clean, renewable energy with you anywhere, anytime. Today, we are unboxing an eco-friendly portable solar power station that promises to keep your gadget, appliance, and adventures full charged without harming the planet. Here it is, the portable solar power station, sleek, compact and sturdy. Notice the matte finish, scratch resistant surface and rounded edges. The outer shell is made with recycled plastics and aluminum, making it lightweight yet durable. On the front, you will find out multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, a 12-volt DC output, the two AC outlets. The digital display show battery percentage input, output wattage, and charging status in real time. These models come with powerful lithium-ion phosphate battery known for its longer life cycles and safety. It offers around 500 watt and 1000 watt, enough to run phones, laptops, fans, lights and even small kitchen appliances. Unlike fuel generators, this power station produces zero emissions, no noise, and saves you money in the long run. Here I can charging my phones, laptop simultaneously, while also powering a table fan, my car. That is the beauty of a portable solar power station, silent, clean and reliable power for home, travel or emergencies. Of course, the real magic is solar charging. Just unfold the solar panel, face it towards the sun and connect it with a provider. Provided cable. Within a few hours, the station recharges, ready to power your world again. The eco-friendly power station is perfect for campers, travelers, content creators, families, or anyone who wants backup power during outages. And with its solar compatibility, it is an eco-conscious investment for the future. Features: battery capacity 256 volts, output power around 300 watt with a surge up to 600 watts depending on the version. AC outlet, standard household sockets, USB-A, USB-C ports, DC car port, input AC charging wall socket, solar panel charging via MC4 or EcoFlow solar input, car charging 12-volt socket, fast charging can recharge from 0 to 100% in about 1 hour from AC.